Welcome to this presentation on metals and nonmetals. We will explore their physical and chemical properties, key differences, and real-life uses. Elements in the periodic table can be grouped into two major categories, metals and nonmetals. These two types have very distinct characteristics. In the periodic table, the blue-colored region shows the metals. These metals are mostly found on the left side and extend through the center of the table. The yellow-colored region highlights the nonmetals. These are located on the upper right side of the periodic table. Between the metals and nonmetals, you'll see a stair-step line. Along this line, the green-colored elements are the metalloids. They share properties of both metals and nonmetals. This color-coded chart helps you quickly identify which elements belong to each group. Let's test your understanding. Take a look at the periodic table chart on this slide. Use the color guide to help you. Your task is to: first, name any three metals from the blue section. Second, identify two nonmetals from the yellow area. And finally, point out two metalloids and tell where they are found. Pause the video or take your time to complete this. Metals are usually shiny. This shine gives them a reflective surface, often described as lustrous. In addition to being shiny, metals are also good conductors of heat and electricity. This means they allow heat and electric current to pass through them easily. Metals are not only shiny and good conductors. They are also malleable, which means they can be hammered into thin sheets. And they are ductile, meaning they can be stretched into long wires without breaking. Lastly, most metals are solid at room temperature. This property gives them a firm and stable form for use in construction, tools, and machines. Examples of common metals include iron, copper, gold, and aluminium. Unlike most metals, mercury is a liquid at room temperature. Next, we will explore the physical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals usually have a dull appearance. They do not reflect light well, so they lack the shine or luster that metals typically have. However, there are exceptions. Iodine and graphite can appear shiny under certain conditions. Nonmetals are generally poor conductors of heat and electricity. This makes them useful as insulators. But there is an exception: graphite, a form of carbon, conducts electricity well due to the movement of electrons within its layers. Unlike metals, nonmetals are brittle. This means they break or shatter when force is applied. They are not malleable, they cannot be hammered into sheets, and they are not ductile, so they cannot be stretched into wires. Nonmetals can exist in all three states at room temperature. Some, like sulfur and carbon, are solids. Others, like bromine, are liquids. And gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and chlorine are also nonmetals. Some common nonmetals include oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, and carbon. This table summarizes the differences between metals and nonmetals across physical and chemical properties. Metals are widely used in everyday life. They are essential in construction, electrical wiring, machinery, and making kitchen utensils. Non-metals also have important uses. Oxygen is essential for respiration. Chlorine is used to purify water. Sulfur is used in making insecticides. Nitrogen is essential in making fertilizer. Now let's test your understanding. Fill in the missing words in the following sentences. Number 1, metals are blank, meaning they can be hammered into thin sheets. Number 2, non-metals are usually blank and break easily when force is applied. Number 3, an example of a metal used for making electrical wires is blank. Also, answer these short questions. Number 1, mention 2 physical properties of metals. Number 2, list any 2 uses of non-metals in daily life. Number 3, name 1 metal and 1 non-metal found at room temperature as a solid. In conclusion, metals and non-metals differ significantly in their properties. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate their unique roles in science and technology. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.